Well, good Monday morning. This is Rich, and the market's all firm here overnight. I think there's some optimism that the summit in Europe was going to find a resolution for the European debt situation. We'll see if that happens or not, but nonetheless, the dollar trading just mildly weaker here at the start of the trade. And we did see commodities firm overnight. December corn up 10 1/4 at 6.59 1/2. March corn up 10 1/2 cents at 6.70 1/2. November soybeans up 13 3/4 at 12.26. January soybeans up 14 cents at 12.34 3/4. Cotton, December cotton firmer up 0.46 at 97.56. And December Chicago wheat up 10 3/4, 6.42 3/4. Minneapolis December up 10 3/4 at 9.30. So good buying here overnight and into the start this morning. Now the markets did open about unchanged last evening, so most of the buying here in the late hours of trade, and certainly that spells well for a firmer opening here this morning. The harvest progress numbers will be out this afternoon, likely to show pretty good harvest everywhere except for the far eastern corn belt, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Michigan, Indiana still behind normal pace, but everybody else ahead of normal pace. And certainly we're well over 50% on corn now, and soybeans pushing quite a bit higher as well. Maybe another week or so of big bean harvest in the east, and really ought to put us into the short rows there. So we'll see a little bit of hedge pressure this week, but as we get further and further along, that'll start to ease up a little bit and go from there. Basis levels still continue to be pretty firm in many places in the Midwest, and that also a very positive factor, I believe, for the nearby contracts, particularly on December corn. Have a good day. We'll look for a firmer open, and we'll be back later on with an update. Thanks.